Hi everyone, my name is Leanne and I lead the Ubuntu kernel team for Canonical. We're part of the magic to create one seamless platform for everything from the phone to the cloud. In this video, I'm going to show you the Ubuntu vision of fully converged computing, where one single device, the phone, becomes the engine of personal computing, providing you with a range of experiences from mobile to tablet and PC. That's why we're building the Ubuntu Edge, to push the limits of what's possible on a phone. For this demo, we've set up a Nexus 4 as a proof of concept for the Ubuntu Edge. Everything you see here will work even more smoothly on the final production handset, where we'll have a much faster CPU, more RAM, and convergence built into the hardware. Let's start with the new touch experience of Ubuntu. If you've used Ubuntu on the desktop, you'll feel right at home, as Unity was designed to span the full range of devices. The home screen gives quick access to the most common tools, or you can swipe from the left edge to pull in the launcher with all your favorite applications. We've designed our interface to use edge gestures on all four sides, and it's the perfect size to use one-handed. Swipe from the right to switch between open apps, from the top to access notifications and system settings, and app tools and menus are at the bottom. There are no hard or soft keys or home buttons. A single gesture is all it takes to navigate the OS. It's so simple and fast. To demonstrate convergence, I'm going to show you Ubuntu for Android, which is a unique integration of the full Ubuntu desktop experience into the Android phone. So you get both an amazing Ubuntu experience and Ubuntu for Android and the full Ubuntu Touch story, all on one device with easy dual booting between them. The converged Ubuntu experience will be faster than Ubuntu for Android because it's all one system, but we can give you an idea of how it will work right now using current commercial hardware. For this demo, we're using AOSP and we'll run our existing Ubuntu for Android environment. I'll pair the phone with a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, open the U4A control app, and connect to a standard monitor via HDMI. That launches Ubuntu on the Android phone, running alongside Android and sharing specific files and data. Yes, what you're seeing here is the Ubuntu desktop. Not a cut-down version of Ubuntu, but the full native OS. The same OS that's run by millions of people every day, and it's running directly from the phone hardware. The phone is the PC. You have full integration between the phone and desktop interfaces, so you can access content from one on the other. The People lens on the desktop shows the Android phone's address book. The Music lens contains the same tracks I listen to on the phone. I'll be able to start an album while I work on the desktop, undock, and then finish it on the move. We've adapted the desktop with plenty of Android service integration. I can use the dialer from the desktop to make and receive calls and text messages via the phone. The Thunderbird email application is integrated with the smartphone email client. I can even use both environments at the same time. It's the same rich experience as Ubuntu on a desktop PC, but it's all running from the phone. True device convergence in action. For enterprise users who are already running their desktops in the cloud, here's something amazing. Ubuntu for Android even supports thin client access to cloud-hosted Windows applications like Microsoft Office. So you can use Ubuntu for Android as a full desktop and a thin client for your enterprise apps. Everything you've seen here is fully functional today. You can shift seamlessly from Android to the Ubuntu desktop and back. As soon as we have that same integration ready for Ubuntu Mobile, we'll push it out in a free update after launch. The reason I'm so excited is that Ubuntu needs amazing hardware to match its vision of full personal computing convergence, putting mobile convenience and desktop power in one device. By supporting the Edge, we'll be accelerating the adoption of incredible new technologies so that mass-market consumer phones get these features sooner for everyone. If you think the pace of innovation has slowed on the phone, supporting the Edge is the best way to catalyze the next generation of personal devices. And since it's all Ubuntu, you'll have front row seats and an invitation to participate in making it amazing. Thanks for getting involved.